Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V29 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them. And here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive, and because of that, we cannot really manually change the date, time or the time zone. It is because we are using the automatic options. So first of all, we have to turn off all of them just by using those switchers or turning off those switchers. And now we can freely tap on date because it is active. And as you can see from the calendar, we can find the date we want to use and tap on it, confirm it with tapping on OK. The same situation with the time, just choose it from the clock and it will be immediately applied to the status bar. We can tap on the time zone, tap on the region, and here in this here we've got the list of all available regions, so just find yours and tap on it. So for example, this one. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, that time will also change according to it, so it's quite normal. Right here we've got the time format, so you can use 24-hour format just like right now, so make sure that this option is active, or 12-hour one just by turning off this option. So it's basically up to you. So this is the whole customization of the date and time, the manual customization of course, and if you want to, you can always come back to all previous settings just by using those switchers here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.